Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel and Cat Choi's cat food to help you decide which is better for your feline friend. We'll explore their nutritional content, key ingredients, and overall benefits. Our goal is to provide clear, concise information so you can make an informed choice for your cat's health and happiness. Let's dive into the details and see how these two popular brands stack up against each other. When looking at nutrition, Excel adult cat food generally provides a minimum of 28 to 30% protein, which is crucial for muscle maintenance. Cat Choi's adult cat food typically offers a minimum of 27% protein. Both brands also include essential fats, fibers, and moisture content, ensuring a well-rounded diet. These figures highlight their commitment to providing adequate macronutrients for your cat's daily needs. Moving on to ingredients, Excel cat food frequently lists real chicken and fish as its main protein sources, supporting strong muscles. Cat Choi's emphasizes omega-6 fatty acids and zinc, which are excellent for promoting healthy skin and a shiny coat. Importantly, both brands incorporate taurine, an essential amino acid crucial for maintaining your cat's healthy eyesight and overall heart function, ensuring their long-term well-being. Regarding price and availability, Excel cat food is generally accessible in many stores and online, offered in various package sizes. Cat Choi's is often positioned as a more budget-friendly option, making it appealing to many pet owners. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your cat's specific dietary requirements, taste preferences, and your budget. Always consult your veterinarian for personalized advice to ensure your cat receives the best nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.